Importance and benefits of proper garbage disposal. 1. Catches food particles from dirty dishes. 2. Provides drainage for a dishwasher. 3. New models designed for septic tanks. 4. Minces particles that otherwise might clog drain. And 5. Provides years of service. Here is the example.
Wow! Ang daming kalat! Dapat pulutin to!